us through Priyank Tripathi, who's joining us. Niyamika is also joining us. Priyank, you just spoke to Ram Gopal Yadav. He's known to make outlandish charges in the past as well. But this one, after an almost 70-year-old BJP MP sustained injuries. We have the visuals of that. All of that happened on camera. He was taken through the hospital. The hospital is giving hour by hour, day by day reports. How can he still insist that it was all fake, that it was fake blood? Priyank? Priyank, there seems to be a bit of a problem there. We'll try and reconnect with Priyank and get that audio line fixed. Till then, let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, fake bandage, fake assault and fake drama. That is what the Samajwadi Party is saying. Something that has been echoed in certain words by the rest of INDI. Is that going to be the offence, going to be the best defence?
Well, yes, this is the charge which is being levelled by the India Bloc Party MPs upon the BJP, as whatever was being done on the part of the two BJP MPs yesterday, that was nothing but just a drama which they were trying to do. As the India Bloc MPs have also made this allegation that these are just the diversionary tactics on the part of the BJP so that they cannot answer all the allegations which are being levelled against the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. But the India Bloc leaders have also made it very clear that they are not going to let it go, as for that reason today also there was a protest march which was being taken out by all these India parties, as they had started this march from Vijay Chowk towards the parliament, and there was continuously just one demand which was being raised by each and every member of parliament there, is for seeking an apology from Mr. Amit Shah regarding the statement which he had given regarding Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And for that reason they are saying that he has basically insulted Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's ideology, and that is the reason why the sentiments of the Dalit people have got hurt. So for that reason they are saying that whatever is being done by the BJP, whether it is about the injuries which are which can be clearly seen upon the two of the BJP MPs, either it's about that or the FIR which is being lodged against Mr. Rahul Gandhi, all of this is nothing but just a drama which the BJP is trying to do to divert the attention from the demand which is being raised by the India Bloc leaders regarding the apology as well as the resignation of Mr. Amit Shah.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us, Niyamika. Important for our viewers to listen in to the exact words being used by Akhilesh Yadav's Chacha. Remember, Ram Gopal Yadav, who's also a Samajwadi Party MP. This is what he has to say.
सर, कल दोनों तरफ से कंप्लेन दी गई. कांग्रेस की कंप्लेन पे अभी तो एफआईआर नहीं हुई है. अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर तक का सेक्शन के लिए बोला था बीजेपी ने, वो लगाया नहीं गया है. आपको क्या लगता है कि इस पूरे मामले में आगे क्या होगा?
देखिए, कोई झगड़ा झंझट नहीं हुआ, कोई राहुल गांधी ने धक्का नहीं दिया. सब फर्जी बनाया गया है ताकि लोगों का ध्यान उस तरफ चला जाए. बाबा साहब के जो अपमान हुआ है उससे लोगों का ध्यान हटाने के लिए नई साजिश हुई है.
सर, लेकिन चोटें तो आई हैं, अस्पताल में एडमिट हैं.
चोटें तो आने का, चोटे का अस्पताल में पट्टी बांध दो और वो बीटाडीन डाल दो, चोटी खून दिखाई पड़े.
तो क्या आपको लगता है ये फेक है सर?
सब फर्जी.
बट सरकारी अस्पताल के डॉक्टर्स की रिपोर्ट भी आई है सर.
अरे डॉक्टर भी डॉक्टर है, आप नहीं जानते आज इस देश में क्या हो रहा है. डॉक्टर तो बहुत मामूली चीज है कि सारे पे वो जिसके चोट नहीं लगी उसको कहते तो मर गया है.
सारे शीर्ष के नेता बीजेपी के गए, मुलाकात की उन्होंने.
अरे बट ड्रामा इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि लोगों का ध्यान हट जाए, लेकिन ध्यान नहीं हटेगा. सारे देश में प्रदर्शन हो रहे हैं, सारे देश में कहां तक ये करेंगे.
In fact, let me go across to Akanksha. She's joining us from outside the RML hospital. That is where the BJP MP Sarangi is currently admitted, along with the other BJP MP also who has been injured. So, Akanksha, you just heard everyone from the opposition seems to be closing ranks. Now, you have Samajwadi Party saying it was fake bandage, fake blood and a fake report. What are the doctors saying? Are the doctors really under pressure, as being alleged by the opposition, to give a fake report, to say that he is injured?
Well, absolutely. You see, we asked the medical superintendent of the RML hospital about this claim that has been made by the Samajwadi Party that the bandages, the blood and everything, the medical report is also fake. And he said that the health of these two BJP MPs should not be politicized. This was what the MS of the RML hospital has said, because remember he said yesterday that around 11:30 these two BJP MPs were brought to the hospital. Mr. Sarangi had a deep cut on the left side of his forehead, and that is also mentioned in the medical reports here as well. He also has scratches on his ankles. He has injury on his back as well. As far as Mr. Rajput is concerned, he also got the head injury at the back of his head. So all of this has been mentioned in the medical report that RML panel of doctors here at RML hospital, the test that they have conducted, there was MRI test, CT scan test and also blood reports. They all are fine, but the fact remains is that there was a deep cut on the left side of Mr. Sarangi's forehead. And that is clearly mentioned in the report. Right now, both of them are stable. As far as Mr. Rajput is concerned, he is anxious. He's feeling dizzy right now. This is as far as the health bulletin of 12 o'clock is concerned.
So that's the latest health bulletin that Akanksha is getting for us. Let me go across to Tom Vadakan of the BJP who's joining us. Tom Vadakan, we just got an update from the RML hospital. They have said that both the MPs are going to continue to be under observation. After all, Mr. Sarangi is, after all, also a heart patient. But you have the Samajwadi Party saying that this is all staged by the BJP. Did your party put out fake blood? Did your party pressurize the doctors to give out a fake report?
Thank God they didn't accuse us of using tomato sauce. I mean, it's unfortunate that an incident like this, just a cover-up that they're trying to, create a narrative. The senior citizens who have been injured rushed to the hospital, and there is a health bulletin saying that they're not out of danger at all at this juncture. And they want to make it sound as if there's nothing wrong. They are insulting the doctors by saying doctors are also compromised. I mean, this is not something that these Samajwadis will ever understand. They now want to support the Gundaism, and they're very proud of the Gundaism that Rahul Gandhi showed in Parliament.
But Ram Gopal Yadav has said, Tom Vadakan, that betadine laga do aur khoon hi khoon dikhega.
वो कब से डॉक्टर बन गया था? I mean, राम गोपाल यादव कोई डॉक्टर है कि क्या दवाई लगाया है, क्या है? अगर इतना ही इनको शक था तो चले जाता उधर देखने के लिए. वो तो किया नहीं. और अब टीवी बाइट्स दे रहे हैं कि भाई वो सब फर्जी है. धक्का भी नहीं दिया. देखो टेलीविजन, all channels have shown it, and there's been an admission by Rahul Gandhi that yes, he has committed that issue. Now, and Ram Gopal says nothing happened. So
where is the CCTV, Tom Vadakan? You're talking about the pushing, shoving. There is CCTV is what everyone is saying, but that's not been released. Do we expect to see that?
That has not been released because there is a complaint and the police is investigating. So they won't give it to public right now. Let the police, FIR has been filed. Let the FIR and the investigation agencies get to the bottom of it. Then it will be released in public. The truth will come out. But the fact of the matter, we've seen even the LOP saying, yes, I did push. He's admitting it. We've seen it on television. And this Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav says, well, nothing happened.
But even the clip that you're talking about, where Rahul Gandhi allegedly admits to it, you have KC Venugopal and others from the Congress party, you have retweeted it, saying that this is the fakery by the BJP. What he said was within the context.
What fakery are they talking about? National television has been beaming it. What kind of talk are they doing? We do not supply videos to the channels. These are videos that have been procured by the television channels, their cameramen there. This is not something supplied by the BJP office or by the government. So this whole business of trying to say, well, it's fakery is nonsense. You need to apologize to the nation, the senior citizen. You're pushed and you're showed that your arrogance is in full display. And you have not even apologized for that. It would have been appropriate if you had gone to the hospital and said sorry.
Okay, that's an interesting point. What's stopping all the doubters from going to the hospital and seeing for themselves is what BJP is asking. Thank you so much, Tom Vadakan.